Hey, what's up, car enthusiasts? Welcome back to Car Expert, where we bring you the latest car reviews and automotive insights. Today, we are diving into a Lamborghini that's been designed with pure racing spirit, the Lamborghini Huracan STO. This track-focused beast brings Lamborghini's racing pedigree to the street, combining extreme performance, stunning aerodynamics, and raw power. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan STO a true supercar icon. Body. Exterior design. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan STO has a bold, aggressive design that's focused entirely on aerodynamics and performance. The front of the car features massive air intakes and a redesigned hood with integrated vents, helping to keep the engine cool and the car stable at high speeds. The carbon fiber bodywork not only reduces weight but also enhances its aerodynamic efficiency, which is key to maximizing its track performance. Along the sides, the Huracan STO sports sculpted lines and aerodynamic fins, channeling air to increase downforce and improve stability. At the rear, the STO has a large adjustable rear wing, which provides extra downforce, while the aggressive rear diffuser and centrally mounted dual exhaust pipes complete its racing look. The Huracan STO's exterior design is built for speed and precision, combining race-inspired aerodynamics with Lamborghini's signature style. Driving experience. Driving the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan STO is all about experiencing Lamborghini's extreme racing DNA in its purest form. The instant throttle response and high-revving V10 engine create an exhilarating acceleration, delivering a powerful sound that can only come from Lamborghini. The adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering provide precision handling, allowing the STO to take corners with confidence and stability. Carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring you can handle high speeds safely and consistently, even during extended track sessions. The lightweight chassis and extensive use of carbon fiber keep the STO agile, making it feel incredibly responsive whether you're on the street or the track. The driver-focused cockpit places you at the center of the action, with features like telemetry, which records data so you can analyze and improve your performance on the track. With its race-tuned handling, responsive acceleration, and immersive driving feel, the Huracan STO offers a truly unforgettable driving experience. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan STO? It's a supercar that brings track-level performance, incredible design, and extreme racing technology to the street. Whether you're a Lamborghini fan, a supercar enthusiast, or someone looking for the ultimate driving machine, the Huracan STO is built for those who demand the best. Let me know in the comments if the Huracan STO is your dream car. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest car reviews.